my darling Fumi Nation. I am so excited. Finally, Showmax. Thank you. Hello, Showmax. We have the Real Housewives of Lagos. And when I tell you, we got 6 dynamic, exciting, dramatic, fabulous women. Oh my God. When I tell you, I grabbed all of my snacks. Yes. And I sat down with my headphones because I did not want any outside noise. I didn't want to hear Adrian. I didn't want to hear Ula. I didn't want to hear the birds, the trees. I live in the country. I didn't want to hear nada. I just wanted to see and watch this. And needless to say, there was little to no disappointment. Let us start with a bang. I've got my notes up in here, Tiana. Tiana is a fashion goddess. She's the king of queens, so she says. She's married to a wonderful guy and she has 3 children, all from different daddies. The youngest one, I think, is from her present husband, and I love her so much. She's so unapologetic. She says, you know what, let me tell you something. If I'm not happy with this guy, I'll carry my brood and I will go to the next guy who's giving me love. And this is the kind of woman that I like. Yeah. We need that doesn't care about what society is telling her to do. This is the situation, and guess what? I'm in your face and I'm proud. These are my babies. I birthed them. I'm taking them into the next relationship. Do you guys remember Diana Ross when she came up and sang, and in the audience were her baby daddies? I lived for it. That is truly boss moves. No doubt about it. I live for it. But we must not close our eyes. We must not deviate from the fact that, Tiana, your fashion is atrocious. Hot mess. You designing these? You really are designing these. I want to see designers, but I want to see design. So as far as I'm concerned, you're right, Tiana. You are a designer, but only you can wear this. I don't know what kind of trends you're setting. Hot, smoking mess. The makeup is not too bad. The hair, not too bad. I will say at least it's better, much better than your girlfriends down over the pond in South Africa. You're doing a little bit better here. So I give you that. She has an older daughter who lived in the United Kingdom. I think she's now in the US, and she's going to come back home and meet her new stepdad. And the guy is so sweet, and he wears a mask. He's very shy. He does not care for social media, but he is absolutely in support of Tiana, and he seems very calm, very quiet, and opposites attract. It's the same thing with me and Ula. I'm all about noise. Ula's like, you know what, I don't mind, I'll just be quiet. So their yin and yang works out perfectly. She's got all kinds of businesses, which is good. And she's launching a hair brand business in honor of her beautiful baby girl. So that, my darling, is Tiana. Then we jump over to Alice Iyabo. Alice Iyabo is an actress, producer, director, and she has 2 children. She had a younger child much earlier on, which created a lot of buzz. She felt that had she not gotten pregnant earlier on, she might have gone on to study law. She was admitted at the University of Lagos, but she had to turn that down because she became a mother. She also, which I felt was like, oh wow, I live for you, I respect you, I honor you. She had been molested and raped multiple times by a family member, and she said it right out there with ease. It hurts her, still does, and she said it doesn't leave you. It does not leave you. It haunts you still. But I think that she has mastered and owned it, to say this is what happened to me, and I'm not hushing up. I'm not hushing up anymore. He's in a relationship. Again, the guy is social media shy, so we don't get to see him. We don't know whether we'll get to see them further down, not sure. Unlike Netflix, where you can binge all of the episodes, you cannot binge any of this. It comes episode to episode. So this coming Friday, which is Good Friday, we'll get an episode. So we'll see. She's also a TikTok fan. She's on TikTok. I told you she's an actress, so she does her thing. So you guys check her out on TikTok. Carolyna. Carolyna is unapologetic. Carolyna was married to a billionaire. She says, spoil me with loyalty and I will grace you with my presence. Drama queen. She knows who she is. She knows who she is, and she values herself. She's like, you know what? If you're out here trying to be crazy, I'm not feeling you. You ain't got no money, I'm not trying to mess with you. She has a daughter. The daughter goes to see the daddy on the weekends, and she's unapologetic. She's into construction. She's into oil. She's into gas. Boss moves. I live for that. I'm like, okay, all right. The girls all have tats. They all have tattoos. I'm like, ha ha, okay, this is really, truly a new generation. I have a tattoo in the corner of my ankle. I don't know whether I can lift it up. Can you guys see it? I had this tattoo, oh my God, 31 years ago. Yep. And I remember the tattooist here in London when I graduated. I went to university here. And the guy said, what's up with all of y'all? In those days, it was rare. Have a black girl coming for a tattoo. It was rare, 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 rare. So I see them now and I'm just like, oh, wow, look at how time has changed. And Fumi, yes, you've gotten older up in these streets. So that's Carolyna. I'm giving you the introduction to the ladies now. So Tiana and Iyabo now meet up at a restaurant. Tiana wants to go over her event that she's going to have in honor of her new brand, the baby hair products in honor of her little baby. So they meet up at a restaurant. The food already looks delish. I'm living for it. It's African food. It's Nigerian food. My mouth was watering. I was like, oh my God. It is there that we are introduced to Chioma. Chioma is the owner of that restaurant. Chioma is bougie, bougie, bougie. The hair is too much. The hair, the makeup, she needs contour. Chioma, you need contour. Come to me. Come and get, girls, ladies, come and get your push-up tape. Come and get your makeup. Yes, my darlings, you'll be all set. You need contour. Pretty girl. She was in the UK, then she went to Lebanon. She's a lawyer. She's all of these wonderful things, affirmations, positivity. Girl, go ahead and do your thing. She has a guy who's in the background again, so we don't see him. But the red clawy nails is a bit much. But girlfriend wore a pink outfit that I loved, and I said, yes, Chioma, I'm living for you. I'm living for what you are going to bring to the show. She's very soft-spoken. She's very contained. She's very pulled together. And she was like, yes, Tiana, you can have your event at my place. Tiana looks at her like, bougie. Look at her talking. And then they talk about their veneers. And I might say that Chioma's veneers are nicer than Tiana's. Tiana, it's as if to say they just put like a brace up in there. Where are the bridges? Where's the grid? Where's the natural-esque, fakeish? You understand me? That is what veneers should look like. Then we go to Laura EKG. Laura EKG says, I'm fun, I'm fabulous, I love money. I love money. I just love money. You know what I like about her? Call it out like it is. Who doesn't love coin? Really and truly. I love money too. I'm a hustler too. And I'll give it to all of these girls. They are hustlers. They're looking for the next check. As much as they spend and they have a good time, they're hustling. And Laura is absolutely up there. So Laura EKG has 2 children. She's been married for 5 years, and at last we get to see a hubby. Ogban has a personality to him. He's so very nice. They have the dinner together, and they are served, and he's so into his wife. He loves her personality. He loves her over-the-top personality. Again, might I stress, it's a yin and a yang. And she's fun-loving. She makes no apologies. She says, you know what? This is what it is. It is upon this dinner that they're having that Laura now gets the invitation from Tiana about the event that will be the following day. Yeah? Okay. So those are the ladies in the first episode. We are missing one more, and that is Mariam Tiana. We are hoping to see her in the next episode. We don't see her in this episode, but she's fly. She's married to a European. She has a little daughter, but we don't see any of that. We're going to see that hopefully in the next episode. Anywho, these are the 5 that we've been introduced to. Fade to black, open up the scene. We're at the event. Tiana's event, the new hair products for her baby little girl, and everybody shows up. Carolyna comes in a lime green, long flowing, bust open dress. She's like, this is me. It is what it is. I live for it. I said, well, okay. Was it inappropriate? No, it wasn't inappropriate. You just didn't read the invite. There are children there. This was a thing where you could have gone like this with your accessories, your Kelly bag, Birkin bag, fly shoes, jewelry, iced out, and gone there. You didn't have to wear this long dress. That was red carpet, Carolyna. All right, but she's okay. She's sitting up in there. Then we have Laura Ikeji. Laura Ikeji comes late. And this is Naija babe. My Naija girls, how na dey? I dey miss una. Anywho, Laura comes late. So Tiana says, Laura, how body? They dance, hugs. And then Tiana says, no problem now. You came late to my event. I will come late to your event. You do me, I do you. Anyway, Laura sits in one corner and she's already eyeing Chioma. Chioma's there, and you know what? Laura just can't stand it because everybody is leaning in to listen to Chioma, which really just aggravates Laura. She's not feeling the love that Chioma is receiving. You know, all the affirmations, the love, the positivity, the light. You know, bad belly. It looks like it's bad belly. Oh, Laura, how far? So, and then Laura is now eyeing Tiana because she's like, did you not say that you're not friends with Carolyna? What is this? Now all of a sudden you're friends. So Laura just feels as if Tiana speaks a lot of, but when it comes to, you're friendly, you're talking, you're gisting. They now go on to say, you know what, let's all get together. And Laura in her mind is like, I want to get up out of here, 1. I'm not feeling Chioma, 2. And hell to the no, am I going to hang out with you guys? You know, these fake hoes. I'm not going to do it. And that is where we come to an end. Yes, my darlings. What do I think of the show? It looks exciting. I'm living for it. This one has momentum. This has speed. The hair, not so bad. The makeup, not so bad. Ladies are looking okay. So let us see where it all goes. Yeah. I love the fact that the women are very ingrained in their kids, their family, they're hustling, they're working. I like that. So, yes. Do I give it a pass? I give it a pass. Is it FTV approved? It is FTV approved. Why not? Welcome, guys. Welcome to Real Housewives of Lagos. Eko, I beg make una no disappoint. I dey wait for una. Give it to them. Hot. I want to see weddings. I want to see the whole shebang. Showmax, congratulations. I want to see what? I want to see Nigerian designers. I want to see African designers. I want to see Nigerian dishes. I want to see African fight. I want to see it all. Take me to Bar Beach. Take me to Ikoyi. Take me to Victoria Island, Ikeja. Take me to Eko. Let me see with my eyes. Show these people say, aha, na so we they do. Na so. All right, my darlings, that is my review. I live for you. Mwah. Positivity, love, light, affirmations. Give it all to you. It's all yours. It's coming towards you. Work, hustle. At that time when you think, I can't do this, do you know that's the test? That's the test. That hump, that... This is the test. This is the test. And you're about to fall. Don't worry. He got you. But he's testing you. Are you prepared to take that chance? And once you're prepared to take it, that's when God says, but you're my child. Don't you know? I'm going to give you everything. So keep going. Don't let go. Believe. See you soon. Mwah.